How's it going, everybody? Welcome back to another video here at Mezcal Buzz, and I want to share with you my copper still. Does it work? Right on, so here you have it. I have my copper still that I want to share with you guys. It'll be a quick video. I'm not going to distill anything today. I just want to show you this little setup that I picked up. I think it looks great on the shelf, but it is 100% functional. So I think it might be cool to try to distill something here. I don't know where I'll pick up some agave that I'll get to like roast and then ferment and then do all that. But I am in Mexico City and pulque is abundant here. So I think I'm gonna try to do some destilados de pulque to give it a go. This is a 1 liter still. I was told that you get about 25% from what you per distillation. So if I do about a liter of pulque, I should get about 250 milliliters per distillation. So, excuse me, so double distilled, I'd probably have to do 2 liters, distilled twice. Actually, now I'm getting all crazy with the math here. I'll probably have to do maybe 4 liters because if I do 1 liter once and I get 250 milliliters, I need to distill another liter, so 250 milliliters. I'll need 4 of them to equal another liter, so probably 4 liters of pulque for 2 distillations to get a small 250 milliliter bottle. Something like that. But what do you think? Should I give it a go? Should I try to distill something or just keep it on the shelf? So this is copper. I got it out of Michoacan, actually. They do a lot of copper in Michoacan. And my friends there that made this for me do different sizes. And they do some larger ones. So if this goes well, maybe pick up a bigger one and start distilling. I don't know, but you can distill anything. You can distill any liquor here. Some people distill perfumes, essential oils with a setup like this. It has 3 sections. So here we have the main section, which is where what you want to distill will be. In my case, I'm gonna start with pulque, will be filled up here. If we start to remove some of this stuff here, so you can see all copper here. I really like it. We have 3 chambers. This second chamber doesn't need to be there. This is where you could put something to infuse your distillation. So like if they're doing perfumes or essential oils, you could put your herbs in here. Or if we wanted to do a destilado con, maybe put a little tiny pechuga here or some cacao or other flavors that we want to infuse in the distillation that's here, and it's perforated at the bottom. So all the juices would be here and they'll come to a boil, and the alcohols will start to evaporate and pass through this chamber. They'll also go through this cone chamber here. This actually has a thermometer on it that we can monitor. You could also get it without thermometer. And then the vapors are gonna go through this tube here, start to condense, and then they'll go down this other tube, which in this one here, we have 3 little tubes, 2 outlets and 1 inlet. So this top one here has the coils inside here, which will come to condense all the alcohol. It's gonna be filled with water. You could throw ice in it. And then these little tubes here, one of them has water coming in and the other one has water coming out. So it keeps water circulation to keep the temperature down. And then the last one is where the actual distillation is gonna come out of. Drip, 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 into a container. And yeah, that's the basic principal function of a copper still. That's it. I wanted to share that with you guys. What do you think? Should I go for it? Should I go pick up a couple liters of pulque and throw this either, I'm thinking of throwing it either on the stove and just put it on a flame on the stove near the sink so I could drain water, or maybe just buy like an electric top as well where I could easily regulate the temperature a little better. And maybe just start doing some research. What temperature does alcohol begin to evaporate before water? Do I want some water evaporation in there? Maybe find the midpoint. I don't know. If you have any experience with a still, leave a comment below. If you have any questions, leave your comments and questions in the section below. And I'm looking forward to trying this thing out. You guys should encourage me, and then really I'll get to it and do another video. But until next time, thanks for watching. If you have any questions or you'd like to get a copper still as well, hit me up. And I'll catch you guys next time. Peace.